안녕하세요, 여러분. Let's talk about how to say I'm sorry in Korean. Welcome back to another video at KSTYLEyo. My name is Inyoung. Let's talk about different ways to say I am sorry in Korean. I will break it down into 3 versions based on the speech hierarchy. Please note that Koreans don't normally include the subject in this phrase, so it's more natural to just say the verb. So before I get into these 3 hierarchies, I want to show you 2 verbs here. 죄송하다 and 미안하다. These verbs both mean to be sorry in dictionary form. So for the first hierarchy, which is formal speech, you're gonna add 비니다 to the verb root. 죄송합니다. 미안합니다. These mean I'm sorry in formal speech. As you heard, 비니다 doesn't sound like 비니다. It sounds more like 앱니다. So 미안합니다. 죄송합니다. So let's move on to the second hierarchy, which is polite speech. So 하다 verbs in the dictionary form becomes 해요 in polite conjugation. That being said, 미안하다 becomes 미안해요. 죄송하다 becomes 죄송해요. 미안해요, 죄송해요. These are both interchangeably used. The third hierarchy, which is casual speech. So when you turn polite speech to casual speech, you normally drop 요. Therefore, 미안해요 becomes 미안해. 죄송해요 becomes 죄송해. However, 죄송해 is not used. 미안해 is the one that you're gonna hear and you're gonna use to friends who are the same age or younger. Sometimes you may even see a shorter version of using the first 2 syllables of these 2 verbs. 미안 and 죄송. 미안 can be used both in speaking format and written format. However, 죄송 is mostly used in a texting format when expressing sorry in more polite than 미안, but also less polite than 죄송해요. I know this becomes a little confusing, so I'm gonna throw a table for you. And this could be a good summary. Formal, 미안합니다. 죄송합니다. Polite, 미안해요, 죄송해요. Shortened version of 죄송해요 is 죄송 in texting format. Casual speech, 미안해. Even shorter version of 미안해 becomes 미안. This is used in both speaking and texting. Please note that sorry in English has broader meanings than Korean sorry. In Korean, you say sorry, these verbs that I talked about in this video, for your wrongdoing. However, in English, you may even say sorry for situations when you feel bad about unfortunate events. In those situations in Korean, you may use 유감스럽다, 안쓰럽다, 안타깝다. These are dictionary form. You may add 네요 after. 네요 delivers an expression of exclamation. So using the verb ending 네요, they become 유감스럽네요, 안쓰럽네요, 안타깝네요. There is another one you can use. 안 됐다. 안 is not. 됐다 is from a verb 되다, which is to be okay. So meaning it's not fine, it was not fine type thing. You could say 안 됐네요 as well. How about this situation that you say sorry in English? You may say sorry when you're asking the speaker to repeat what they said. In Korean, we will say 뭐라고요? 뭐라고요? Hopefully this video was useful to you. If it was, make sure to smash the like and share this video with your friends and families who may be interested in learning Korean as well. If you have any questions, leave them comment down below. Then I see you guys next time. Bye bye.